Dito tayo sa Socom ride for today.
Was every day. We have an induction of Socom Riders Group. That includes you.
Sama ba ako?
Welcome to the Socom Riders Group.
Good morning guys, dito tayo sa Socom ride for today. This is mga idols natin kasama sa ride. So marami yan sila. So ito yung lugar guys. Sobrang solid talaga dito. Sobrang organized. Everybody has their number, may checkpoints, tapos may lahat. Sobrang solid, mga 200 plus na riders dito. Ito yung bike gamit natin for today. And luckily, I got my same number 97 din. So yan, ito yung gamit natin for today guys. So pakita ko sa inyo ano yung process dito. Solid dito, maganda yung registration. So when you come here and you just register, and here is our idol, Sir Maso is here.
Morning sa lahat.
Oh, marami na mga participant tayo ngayon ha. Mangilan na mga sir, morning.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Shout out kay Motomons. Kasama ko si Nads.
Wala ka dito.
Wala ka dito, Mot.
Panis ka, panis.
Wala,
Panis ka.
Panis ka. Shout out, shout out.
Yes.
Clap all out.
So dito yung mga idols natin kasama sa ride natin yan. Oh, yun oh. Mga malupit oh. Kasama natin si Jen. Ano gamit mo, Jen?
ADB 150.
Yan, panis. Wala tayong waswas.
Anniversary sa Socom.
Yes. So if register ka dito, register 1, you have a form to fill up and you get your number here. Then if you haven't paid, you can come and pay here. Then after payment, you will have your t-shirts and raffle coupon and everything here. So maganda talaga dito. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya ano meron dito guys. Marami ng tao dito. Yan. Yan na guys, good morning. Kasama natin si our Sir Maso. Sir,
Morning.
last time hindi ka nakasama sa ride, syempre alis ka, di ba? Pero dito tayo ngayon. Yung yung Socom, yung ride natin, this is our third time or ilan?
Third time for the Moto Adventure and isa yung yung sa Big Bike Enduro.
Okay. So ito, nagawa niyo itong yung event na yan para
Nagawa po ito is because we are generating funds for as a additional financial assistance po sa mga wounded SOF soldiers po natin.
Nakita ko sir dito, meron tayong dito sa sa Ranger mga so wounded sila. So they still have a works here. Some of them, if they can move around, they can still work in the camp, mga ganyan.
Yes, some of them is still at the active service.
Active service. So some of them indeed.
Yung iba po nasa hospital pa.
So that's what we are doing is we are creating this kind of event and generating some of the fund and helping those wounded soldiers natin, di ba? So nasabi mo kay yesterday, ano gawa nyo si our major?
Yeah, kahapon po is nagkaroon po ng visitation yung commander natin na si Major General De La Cruz, visiting our wounded troops at saka yung mga pamilya nila sa Biluna.
Biluna.
Yes.
So nakita niya yata na marami ng mga wounded na ano.
Yeah.
So guys, I will be posting the video later. You will be seeing this what actually happening on this event.
Yes.
So we will support this SOCOM Foundation because incorporated. Meron sila na marami na mga events para supporting ng our wounded na mga soldiers natin. So whenever you see, I will flash also their page and please support them and support natin our frontliners. Thank you for inviting, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So kasama natin si Madam. Siyempre, Philippine Looper, Ironman finisher. Ilang beses kayo sa Ironman, ma'am?
Twice lang po.
Twice. Si sir?
Hi.
Twice din?
Actually, about to take that challenge.
Pero hindi kayo?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Pero baka still preparing. Ayan, kasama natin sa ride yan, guys. Siyempre, dito yung idol ko, oh.
Ito yung idol namin, oh.
Oh, siyempre, lupit, oh.
Lupit, oh.
Kanina pa kayo dito, sir?
Ngayon lang, kararating lang.
Ha?
Kararating.
Ilan kayo?
5. Kabakate, ano?
Oh, yun, oh. Kamusta? Long time no see, ah. Oh, kamusta, sir? Kamusta po? Kamusta po? Sir, long time no see, ah. Kailan tayo ride?
Kabilang sa Bicol, malalaki na.
Sir, hindi kayo nang invite sa mga ride nyo, ah. Ito, puro bundok lang gusto nyo ito, eh.
Puro ano lang, parang ano lang, chill ride sa
Bundok.
bundok.
Yan na, boys, dito rin marami na mga supporter pala dito sa sa event natin. Syempre, dito mga idols natin from the boss. Morning, sir. Kamusta na po kayo? Okay lang. Kayo, sir? Morning po. Morning. Oh, mga boss natin dito. Oh.
As we begin today, this 500-kilometer moto adventure for a charity ride for the wounded SOF soldiers, we appeal to you, Almighty God, to look with kindness upon all of us and the participants.
Brigadier General Dennis Pasis, Philippine Army. And we have Mr. Naj Abdul, the Philippine Moto Tourist Representative. Thank you for coming. The Executive Vice President, BMW Honor Society of Safe Riders. Thank you for coming.
Taos puso kami nagpapasalamat sa lahat sa inyo na nandito ngayon na for attending and participating in this 500-kilometer moto adventure, fourth 500-kilometer moto adventure. Marami pong tao ang mapapasaya ninyo. Unang-una sa SOCOM Foundation, ito po ay maibibigay natin as additional support sa ating mga personnel who are wounded in battle. Kakain, matulog, it will contribute really to the local economy of the route na dadaanan po natin. And for that, we would like to express our sincere appreciation to our sponsors whose generosity and belief in our mission have fueled our passion for this activity.
For the event mechanics, of course, we will be bringing our ORCR and driver's license for as a requirements for this event. And of course, we need to wear our protective gears like proper helmet, gloves, riding jacket, and others safety gears. Then our start and end point of this event will be here at the headquarters SOCOM, Fort Mag. this event is not a race. That's why we ride at our own pace. Kaya nga nabuo ito for 2 days time for us to enjoy the sceneries along the way of the province of Nueva Ecija and Aurora. Mag-enjoy tayo dahil marami pong makikita talaga magandang tanawin and in line dun sa natin mototourism adventure, promotion of our mototourism.
Yan na boys, let's go. This our moto adventure started now. So this is one of the thing they did is they don't just let you go together. They will just put every 5 minutes mga group talaga sila ng take off. So kami na mga tatlo na last take off from here with the Sir Mark is behind me. So he's there. And matagal na hindi kami na ride. So ngayon kasama kami itong adventure ride. So chill ride lang tayo. Wala nang masyadong mahaba ng ruta ito 250 km lang. So we are just to do partial ride some places. Tapos stay kami sa somewhere in Baler. Then tomorrow we will take off from there. So maganda yung event dito guys. So this is one of the ride. We ride all the places, but this is makes some help for our frontliners, you know. Maganda yung idea nila. So let's go out from here. This is one of the biggest camp here in Asia. So marami din ng mga foreigner dito, mga train talaga sila dito. From US, from Australia. So let's roll. Yan, kasama natin si Sir Mark. Yan, kasama natin. Tapos yung idol ko dito, yan. So let's roll, tatlo lang kami. Kita nyo, maganda dito ng chigi oh. Hindi na kailangan ng gamitin ng cellphone mo. Kita nyo sa map guys, puro sigsag ito. Bonggabon. Yan ang solid na mga sigsag dito. Boys, kasama natin si Sir Mark. Solid rider yan guys. From Matat, marami ng club yan. Matagal na hindi kami ng ride. So ngayon, dito na tayo. Kasama natin si Idol. Puro sigsag yan dito guys. Unlimited sigsag. Kita nyo, paano yung malupit yan sa our idol Mark, no?
Nice
Solid.
to see you again, partner.
Oh, solid na ride, no?
Solid,
Oh,
solid.
after long time, dito tayo nang-ride. Ilan years? Hindi tayo nakasama sa ride,
Yes, 3 years.
3 years, no?
3 years.
Oh.
Thank you for the power of Facebook, social media. Panay na lang ang kita ko sa'yo, tsaka like ko sa'yo, partner.
Pero, tuloy tayo na ride.
Siyempre.
Di ba? Masaya, di ba?
Siyempre, and thank
Oh.
you. Inantay niyo ako ni Enrico. Nahiya ako, na-late ako.
Siyempre, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan, di ba brother? Oh, di ba? Walang problem yan. Kahit na last tayo ng take off, chill ride lang tayo. Oh, chill ride.
Pero parang chill yung
Chill talaga.
chill ba yun?
Chill yan.
Para namang hindi.
Para hindi daw chill. Dapat kailangan ng palit ng motor mo, bro. Yun ang problem.
Har-har na ako pag
Yun ang motor yung problem, hindi ikaw. Ikaw, isip mo sir, maliit na motor pero sabay, kaya, di ba?
Sumasabay. So,
Oh.
pag nagpalit pa ng bike yan, patay na.
Panis tayo.
Patis na.
Dito sa sa stopover sila lahat. So meron yata dito na mga konding program yata dito. Marami na mga idols natin dito.
Sir,
Sir.
kita na naman tayo sir. Kita tayo nung nakaraan.
Sir, morning po, morning po, morning po.
Kaibigan mo to.
Oh, yan oh, syempre. So dito tila lahat oh. Yan, dito kami lahat guys.
Yes.
Ano meron tayo dito?
We have an induction of the SOCOM Riders Group.
Okay.
Yeah.
So ilan ang mga bagong members natin ngayon?
Yun ang hindi ko pa alam.
Hindi mo alam.
Malalaman natin mamaya. Mag-headcount tayo.
Oh, sige.
That includes you.
Include me?
Di ba kasama to?
Sama ba ako?
Kasama ba to? Yes, sir. Oh, kasama ka. That includes you.
Socom din ako. Panis.
Yan.
Oh, di ba? Di ba, Jen? So ibig sabihin, hindi ka na pwedeng absent. Pagkasabi ko, Jen, ride na yan.
Oh, siyempre.
Oo, yan na.
I am Tad Colonel Maso, sir, the 7 ng SOCOM EP. At the same time, the facilitator. We have here with us, Jan Pabali, sir. Who will initiator kumbaga sir. Sa mga bagong SOCOM riders. So actually, this is part ng tradisyon ng SOCOM riders sa mga bagong papasok po. Itong ginagawa natin as yung kumbaga acceptance ng mga bagong members na umpisa po itong way back 2018. So yung gagawin natin ngayon umaga sir, we will be offering prayer for Doña Aurora. Then succeeding to that is may gagawin tayo. So we will offer 1 minute prayer sir.
Welcome to this induction of the new SOCOM Riders Group. No? There are 30 of you here today. Parang ito ata pinakamalaki. Ito ba bar ng pinakamalaki ngayon? Ang dami ngayon, 30. So, you are very lucky because you are chosen or you have been invited to be a member of the SOCOM Riders Group. That itself is already an accomplishment, so to speak. Kaya ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng, before you finally enter the SRG group, meron tayo tinatawag na rite of passage. No? Madali lang naman to, parang military charisma lang ito. Papadal lang siguro kayo 10 beses. Hindi, joke, hindi naman ganun. As you can see, there are other SOCOM riders here. Si General Dennis Pasis, siya yung kasama namin dito dati nung kami na-induct dito. Tayo ba sabay-sabay tayo na? Kami yung mga kabatch ko. Try to be an example ng responsible rider. No? Alam niyo kung paano maging responsible rider. Try to be respect other riders also. Hindi yung basta banat lang ng banat. We have that code na sinusunod tayo dito.
Lima sir, 35. So we have 35 here na i-accept. First thing to do sir, at after the prayer, so we will perform lahat ba sir, physically we will perform 20 push-up, continuous push-up. 1, 2, 3, ganun sir.
Oo, ako na, okay na ako. Videographer lang ako. Ikaw, dagdag mo na lang 20 sa akin bro. Ayan
One for the Socom Riders, sir.
Ada, congratulations brother.
Salamat,
Oh, dito matagal na dito, 'di ba sa Socom?
Yes, dahil kay
General.
Pabali.
Oh, syempre malupit 'yan eh. Malupit 'yan si our general 'yan. Oh, tingnan niyo. Sir, ilan ang push-up kayo, boss? 40, no? Mahina sila, 20 na. Kayo 40. Ano ba next 'yan, sir?
Slalom sliding.
Oh, ito 20.
Squat 20.
20 pa.
repetition.
Oh.
Welcome to the Socom Riders Group. So with that, don't forget to register, no? Bahala na si Colonel Maso to register your mga pangalan niyo, mga details about yourselves. So with that, I'll be giving a sticker of the SRG to be placed on your respective motorcycle. Sige, from here.
Dami sila, oh. Ayun, oh. Solid ang mga Socom riders natin dito, oh. Sir. Oh, congrats. Guys, congrats. Yes, mga idol. So, Socom lang sa Kalam. Ulan na. But we are still riding, all of them. Kita niya marami kami. Checkpoint, doon tayo. Dito tayo sa second checkpoint. Kamusta ng ulan dyan, bro? Malakas ulan, no?
Wet na wet?
Wet na wet?
Wet na wet.
Wet na wet, right? Oh, dito kami sa second checkpoint. Mga malupit na dito, oh, lahat.
Basa.
Basa.
We're wet, man.
So, dito kami. Basa-basa talaga. Maganda dito eh. Brother, kamusta ng ride? Basa ride?
Basa. Basa ride.
Tawag doon basilog.
Basilo?
Basilog.
Basilog.
Pasaitlog ride.
Basa.
Oh, sir. Nice ride ba, sir?
Nice ride. Ikaw, ano masasabi mo? Okay?
Siyempre, ikaw ba? Solid na ride.
Solid.
Dapat, very big tayo kasi ganyan ng ride eh.
Yes.
Di ba?
Miss kita, ha?
Oo. So, kami sa second checkpoint ng yung Moto Adventure Socom. So, mga idols natin dito. So, pero grabe yung ulan, yung sa bundok. Good morning guys, this is our second day. We are here in going to Kasiguran. So kasama natin si Sir Mark and si Henrik. So we are going to Kasiguran and other checkpoint, 2 more checkpoints to go. So we stopped yesterday in his resort here in near to Kasiguran, one of the nice resort we stayed. Then we thought today only we will just roam around. So if ever you are passing by here in Kasiguran, just search for it, Escape Resort. That is his resort. Nice place, sobrang ganda. So very affordable price, and he giving for our motorcycle riders discount and everything. So if ever you are in Kasiguran, I will just flash the Facebook page here, so you can just contact and they give you the best option. So we are going to Kasiguran and Dalisag, so the end of this place. Then we will be coming back, going to Cabanatuan, back to the camp. That will be finishing our this moto adventure ride. So we are just doing our chill rides. So nice road dito, tingnan nyo, sobrang gandang kalsada dito. Whenever you're planning to visit Kasiguran, if you are a motorcycle rider, you're really going to enjoy, because maraming twisties, tapos maganda na yung kalsada, maganda yung scenery, tapos malapit sa dagat pa, right side full of dagat. So sila yung kasama ko, 3 kami ng isang team. Hindi kami na we are not in hurry to ride, we are just exploring this time with 3 kami. So maganda yung experience. So same time we are just helping the charity. So maganda, solid yung ride natin, yung 3. Tapos meron na mga kaibigan natin from Manila, his friends from the SSS Philippines. So we met them, we were having chit chat last night. It was a nice experience. So let's go. In front of me you are seeing, that is Chigi. Maganda. You don't have to just, when you own this motorcycle, it automatically connect. So map, and when you press this button, you can see that is my rear camera. So solid talaga ito. Solid yung Chigi. Maraming option dito guys. If you are looking for, just try to get it, because they are giving 10% discount for 15 motorcycles with my referral. So try nyo na lang, sobrang solid. This is our another checkpoint. This is a 4th checkpoint, but this is the next day. So ayun na yata na checkpoint doon, Sokong. Yan. So that is our checkpoint. Dito pala. Finally we found our fourth checkpoint. Oh yan, dito sa Dilasag, Dinyog. Oh dito, kasama natin yan. Pangalan mo brother? Paul Mike and si ma'am. Kahapon pa kayo nahintay? Oh, dito na tayo ngayon, pero naikot-ikot kami lahat ng lugar. Oh, ano bro? Kamusta nang experience ng mga trail?
Masarap, may river crossing.
River crossing. Tayo lang mga.
At saka tayo lang pare. May isang event na Soko, may sinalihan din tayo isa.
Oh, di ba?
Day,
oh, dalawa.
And we wanted to stop to eat lobsters.
Yeah.
Oh, 2 kilos pa.
Kaya 2 kilos.
Oh, you will be seeing the picture here guys. Grabe, 2 kilos.
2 kilos of lobster.
Oh. So,
was-was.
Was-was every day.
Pangalan mo ma'am?
Jem Cortez po.
Jem Cortez. Kahapon pa kayo dito?
Opo.
Oh.
Dati nga po namin kayo ay hindi namin kayo.
Yun!
So ngayon dumating na, pwede na.
Dito kami sa ano, sa
Okay na.
4th checkpoint. So
Pero
more
marami
to
pa
go.
Yes, boys, we are actually near to the 5th checkpoint. Here's some dam. So I will flash the name nilang dito. Marami na mga lugar, hindi ko alam eh. So I'm just using the map and going the places. But maganda dito, tingnan mo sa loob forest na, tapos pupuntang dam. Makita ko sa inyo yung ano, yung dam na sabi nila. Ano meron diyan. First time ako dito eh. Oh, mga baka, kambing, lahat dito. Maganda rin ang ano, yung sa loob. Sa loob ng forest pala ito. Pandabangan Dam guys, kita nyo, ganda oh. Sokom! Ayan oh, maganda oh. Solid dito, first time ako dito. Ganda. Ayan oh, sobrang ganda dito guys. Pasyal kayo dito, solid na lugar ito. Gandang lugar oh. First time ako dito, solid oh. Blue na yung mga tubig. Mga idols natin dito. Yan na boys, we are back to our last checkpoint. Here is in Magsaysay. So it was a nice ride. It was nice, and all the people enjoyed the ride because one of the thing they did is mandatory talaga. That is strictly you have to be in staying in somewhere in Dinajawan or Baler, that area, in Aurora area. So that is strictly they said, or else disqualified. The main thing of that one, they are promoting actually the tourism, bringing the business for the provinces. So that is the thing. So here we are again in Magsaysay. Finisher na tayo, picture. Yeah. Picture na tayo dito. Yan, dito na tayo. It was a nice experience with the marami na mga riders. They were supporting this magandang event. And almost 250 ata na rider na join dito. Like I said earlier, this is a 500-kilometer ride. And you can finish it in 2 days. So you just go and check in somewhere in Dinajawan or
some places in Aurora, and come back next day. 5 checkpoints, magandang lugar pili nila, sobrang solid. Tapos this is one of the thing I love to do, because we are helping people. We ride and we spend so much of money on so many things, but this small amount, they will make so much difference for someone's life. So maganda yung yung gawa nila. I supposed to join before pa, pero I was so busy. So this is my first time I joined, and it was very nice experience, and everybody happy, all the participants are happy, and everybody riding their own pace. And when they take off by group, not sabay-sabay, group by 5, group by 10, ganyan lang, para everybody has their own pacing. Maganda yung event. Tapos sobrang solid yung organization, sobrang solid yung organize nila. So all safe ride, everybody happy. And I was with Sir Mark, he is behind me. So solid yung yung bonding ng mga rider, walang yabang dito, everybody is riding with their own pace, maganda. So if ever meron ng ganyan na mga event, I will still join, and I invite all of you, if you can, please support like this event. So thank you, Sir Bart, and thank you SOCOM for inviting me, and I am become one of the member of SOCOM. So probably you will be seeing more rides with the mga SOCOM members. So it was a nice ride, and we are here in Magsaysay. So now I have to ride 120 kilometer going to Manila. So let's roll.